Welcome to the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. So let's have a look at what comes in the box and also have a first look at the phone, the materials, the ports, features, and all that. Okay. Now this one is a dual SIM. It's Awesome Navy. The color is called Awesome Navy. So we're gonna have a closer look at that. So like any other phone, just you have to get these stickers here, which you need to peel off. And then you can take off the top cover. Of course, at the top there, you get this box with the usual paperwork and your SIM ejector tool. Type-C to Type-C data cable and some paperwork. That should be your warranty and user guide. So you can put that to the side. And then you have your phone. So there's no case and there's no charging brick. Okay. So there's your first look at that Awesome Navy. Was it Awesome Navy? Yeah, Awesome Navy color. Okay. It almost looks like navy blue. So I think that's why they call it Awesome Navy. Okay. So you have your 3 camera modules, your LED flash, volume rockers, power button. And the power button doesn't feel like a fingerprint sensor, so I'm assuming the fingerprint sensor is an in-display fingerprint sensor. Of course, we'll find out in subsequent videos. 2 microphones, the Type-C port for charging and data transfer. We have the downward facing speaker, and then on this other side is completely empty. And then at the top we have the SIM tray and another microphone. So that's basically your first look at the Galaxy A55 5G. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. This feels plastic, by the way, and good luck.